Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Rudra. Today we are having a group discussion, and in this group discussion the topic is benefits of good habit. And I am here to perform my views. So good habit is the habit that make the child good, and those people that are following the good habit that became a successful in the world.
Good habit. Hi everyone. I am Vihan. Today's topic is benefits of good habits. Good habit is important to be successful in life. The person with studies progress in study cultures and programs in life the all.
Hi everyone, I am Swara. Today's topic is good habits. A person is have good habits. He is success in his life.
Good evening. I am Devanshi. Good habits means habits that are help us to success in our life.
Hi everyone, I am Arnav. Today topic is good habits. Good habits make the person to successful in his life.
Good evening. I am Varad. Successful people have good habits and good deeds. They respect others and they do nice things. Like they wake up in the early morning and go to yoga.
Hi everyone, my name is Swaradhira Juse, and so now I speak one sentence on good habits. So good habits is the most important habit in our life.
As Varad is saying that successful people having good habits, it is right, and I am true about that.
But good habit is like some interesting and to do